Why does your scanner show the P0715 engine code? What does it mean? P0715 is a diagnostic trouble code for input or turbine speed sensor circuit malfunction. It indicates a problem with the input or turbine speed sensor circuit. This means that the information from the sensor and the transmission control module, TCM, is not communicating properly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty input speed sensor, damaged wiring, dirty transmission fluid, transmission problems, electrical problems, communication problems, PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code can appear in vehicles with automatic transmissions, including those made by Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, Hyundai, Kia, Jeep, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.